Now, if you've been with us since stop number 1, I'll take this opportunity to congratulate you for putting up with me for that long. This time, as we turn onto O'Connell Street, have a look at the winged figure closest to us there, facing our way. A couple of bullet holes in the chest and shoulder area there. These are battle scars from the 1916 Rising, which destroyed about 75% of this street. The focal point of that siege was just down here on the left-hand side, inside the GPO building. The rebels were cornered by the British forces and eventually had to come out and surrender. The opening scene of that movie I was telling you about a few stops back, Michael Collins, is of that particular siege. I remember watching that movie when it first came out as a 9-year-old. It was actually quite upsetting to see my city in such a bad way. There's a very good exhibition on inside the GPO these days, going into the history of the building and of that 1916 Rising. Henry Street on the left hand side here is a very good bet for some shopping in the area. Always does the trick for me when I'm doing my last minute Christmas shopping. Now in a couple of moments we will be turning onto Parnell Street, named after Charles Stewart Parnell, who was the leader of a parliamentary party that sought Home Rule. Home Rule is a limited form of independence from the British Empire. Parnell was very close to achieving that until an affair destroyed his political career. I find it ironic that that used to be career suicide back then. Seems to be the only way to get into politics these days. As you can probably just about